Learn how to install new fonts in Microsoft Word. Enhance your documents with unique styles by easily downloading and adding fonts to your system. Stay tuned for a simple step-by-step guide to get creative with your fonts in Word. Open a web browser and go to Google. Search for DaFont and hit Enter. Browse the website for a font you like. Click on the font you want and select Download. Open the downloaded zip file, extract it, and check the included text file for licensing info. Locate the font file, TrueType font file. Open the search menu and type fonts, then click on it. Drag and drop the font file into the Fonts folder. Open Microsoft Word to check if the font is installed. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.